that followed is civil rights attorney DeWitt Lacy and Terry Austin. DeWitt, a year after Arbery was killed by Travis McMichael, Lee Merritt, the family's attorney, filed a federal lawsuit claiming there was a cover-up by the Glynn County Police Department. Thoughts on that lawsuit?
Well, Brian, I'll tell you, the lawsuit it's got some issues. It's going to be tough because these folks are the McMichaels are going to need to be thought of under the law's eyes as acting under the color of law. However, of course, they weren't officers. The lawsuit alleges they were deputized. There seems to be some factual information to suggest that some law enforcement officers sought to advise community members that they could refer to the McMichaels when they were in need of law enforcement help. So, there's some struggles there, but I think that it gets at some very significant issues in law enforcement in Georgia.
Now, Terry, as you saw there, Governor Kemp is currently trying to reform the law of citizens' arrest, a law with roots to the year after the Emancipation Proclamation, allowing citizens to arrest fleeing criminals. How will this create change in Georgia?
Well, let's hope that it does. The old law is antiquated, and it really allowed for vigilantism. The new law is going to make it more than just suspicion. Under the old law, if you suspected there was a crime, almost anybody could make an arrest. Now, under the new law, you can still defend yourself. You can defend your home. And if a business person sees that a crime is being committed, then they can make an arrest. And of course, police can still make an arrest if they have probable cause. But what the new law is attempting to do is to limit the circumstances where these arrests can be made. Let's see how that law is actually enforced when it's actually passed.
It's devastating that a life had to be lost to create change, but may Arbery's legacy forever change Georgia for the better. DeWitt, Terry, thank you for your input.